Hello everyone! Good morning America! Isang magandang umaga dito sa California. So today is Saturday, Sabado ng umaga. Alam mo naman, pag Sabado, busy ako when it comes to business, when it comes to finance. So ready na po tayo sa ating puntahan, sa ating training. Sa umagang ito, medyo hindi pa rin magandang boses ko, ano? For date na medyo hindi magandang pakiramdam, pero patuloy ang buhay, 'di ba? Ano, nag-live ako kagabi. So ngayon, pagkagising ng umaga, ready naman tayo. Kasi ganyan talaga pag may pangarap ka sa buhay, 'di ba? Na everyday pagkagising mo is a great blessing from God, na nagpapasalamat ka sa Panginoon na binigyan ka ng pagkakataon mabuhay sa mundo ito. Binigyan ka ng pagkataon na gumawa ng kabutihan, magtrabaho, magnegosyo, or tumulong sa kapwa, lalo na yung nagsusumikap ka para sa kinabukasan ng iyong mga pamilya at sa mahal mo sa buhay. You know, kaya hindi ko rin kasama yung asawa ko ngayon kasi she stay home with my other son. So ngayon excited na ako dahil Saturday, marami tayong gagawin. And it's my day to focus in my business, lalo na po Saturday, na nag-a-attend ako ng training and workshop para dagdag kaalaman, lalo na sa tinatawag nating financial, kasi isa yun sa mga bagay na importante sa bawat tao. And of course, naniwala talaga ako ng kahalagahan ng financial education. You know, sino bang tao hindi kailangan ng pera, di ba? Halos lahat ng tao sa mundo, bata o matanda, kailangan natin mabuhay. So isang paraan para mabuhay tayo ay magkaroon tayo ng sarili nating mga income or family income. You know, except sa mga maliliit na bata o sa mga taong may kapansanan, tinatawag natin mga PWD. So excited na, and then kasi ganyan talaga yung buhay. You're always finding way for yourself. Gumagawa ka ng paraan paano mo pagandahin ang buhay mo. Kasi yung future mo, yung kinabukasan mo, nakadepende yun sa sarili mong sikap. You know, kaya naniwala talaga ako doon na huwag ka magdepende sa future mo, yung kinabukasan mo sa ibang tao. Yung nga sabi, your future is in your hand. Kung anong ginagawa mo para sa future mo, na depende kung anong ginagawa mo ngayon. Kaya ako, I spend my Saturday doing my business, kasi pag Monday to Friday working full time, tapos in the evening, except kagabi off ako, I doing my part-time job, and then Saturday I going my business, and then Saturday I go to my business training, and then Sunday is my Lord's Day, our Lord's Day, and family time. So kasi sa Amerika kailangan marunong ka mag-manage ng time mo, na meron kang time sa lahat. Kaya ako, I'm so glad na Friday I choose to have my me time last night, na nag-enjoy ako, pumasyal sa sarili ko, kumain sa restaurant, nagpakulay ng buhok ko kasi nagkaroon ako ng maraming white hair. Yun talaga siya sabi, pag tumatanda ka na, nagpumuputi na yung buhok mo. You know? So, yun, ready na tayo kung saan man kayo, sulok ng mundo na nanood, i-blessing kayo ni Lord, at palaging isipin na yung future natin, yung kinabukasan natin, nagdedepende po sa atin yan. You know, kaya kailangan maging masipag tayo. You know, inom muna tayo ng acting coffee. Three minutes na lang. 3 to 4 minutes. Malapit na tayo sa ating destination. You know, thank you na sinasamahan niyo ako sa aking pag-drive. No, kasi ako naman pa nag-live ako, either nag-drive ako, or nasa restaurant ako, or nasa ibang lugar ako. So dahil itong weekend, wala kaming time magbakasyon ng family ko. So focus muna ako sa business. You know, I part of this financial education business for 2 years. 2 years ko na to. At saka maganda sang experience. Kasi sa buhay natin, hindi puro lakwat sa. Hindi puro partial. Kailangan mo talaga na i-build mo yung financial foundation mo. Kailangan palakihin mo yung income mo. Kailangan mag-ipon ka, kailangan magkaroon ka ng emergency fund, at saka maraming mga bagay na dapat gawin mo sa buhay mo. At saka pinakamalaga din doon yung meron kang preparation para sa retirement mo. Kaya isa yun sa mga bagay na aking pinaghandaan. Kasi sa typical American, yung retirement age namin dito, either 62 years old or 67 years old. You know, pag 62 and above ka, pwede ka na mag-retire. So ako, iniisip ay ako na dumating ako ng saka pa mag-62 bago ako mag-retire. Kaya I doing this business kasi gusto ko talaga mag-ipon, magkaroon ng income na extra. At the same time, para makapag-retire ako ng maaga. Kasi I be 52 years old itong year na to. Kasi siya medyo sinisipon pa ako, medyo ano pa yung ulo ko. May sakit-sakit pa sa yung ulo ko dahil sa pag sinisipon kasi masakit ang ulo mo. Pero okay lang kasi dito kasi sa Amerika, kahit may sakit ka na minsan pumapasok mo and minsan, yun talaga yung nakikita yung commitment mo sa sarili mo. Na yung mga OFW kahit may sakit sila, may lagnat sila, nagtatrabaho sila. Pero at least, nakapahinga rin ako ng 2 to 3 days bago ako pumasok kahapon. And then, today is Saturday. Ayaw ko magpahinga, ako mag-stay home na wala namang mangyayari sa buhay ko kung ganyan lang ako palagi. Diba? Kaya, ang Saturday ko talaga ay spend up for business, for finance. Kasi gusto ko talaga paghandaan ko yung early retirement ko. Gusto ko paghandaan ko. Hi, Miss Lydia Singson. Hopefully, I can talk to you soon. Yeah, I want to prepare my early retirement, how to help people in finance. Kasi I'm a licensed financial professional. Kaya I'm so excited. You know, pag nag-attend ako ng training about finance, na marami akong natutunan, na marami akong nakikita, lalo na mga Pilipino na dito sa Amerika na gumanda yung buhay nila dahil marunong sila magpahalaga sa mga bagay na ano meron sila, especially na yung mga pinaghirapan mo. Yun ang pinaka-importante kasi in the end of the day, it's about yourself. It's not about other people. About yourself, your family, at saka yung mga close friend mo, yung mga people that who really cares and loves you. Kaya yun. So, mag-English muna ako kasi nandito si Miss Lydia Strington. Hi, Miss Lydia, how are you? Hopefully to see you soon. Let's have time to have a cup of coffee, Miss Lydia. I know you're watching right now. Are you still around in San Jose? Yeah, please direct message me later. So, I want to talk to you. And of course, Lydia is watching with me and she speaks English only. So, I try to be English speaking muna, right? So excited what I said earlier because Saturday is my business day. So I'm in my office outfit every Saturday. And I wait there for 3 hours training to learn more about business opportunity, to learn more about finance, how to build your finances, how to build your emergency fund, how to have saving and investment. You know, some people, they retire poor, so I don't want that to happen to my life. I want to retire soon, as early as I can, with enough, you know, or more enough for my need, especially for my family and I'm so glad my husband is retired. So for me, I'm the one who working hard because I want to help my family back home in the Philippines. And then, of course, I want to help other people around me. You know, so that's the reason I'm being part of the financial industry or financial services, especially in the weekend. Because I want to help people around me, and especially my family and my loved one. And because I believe the more income you have, the more you can able to support and give support for the people who need more help and guidance. Kaya yun ang pinakamalaga, and at the same time, I'm so glad I'm licensed, so it can help me a lot. So guys, I'm very close to my destination. It's like a minute away. So see you again. If you need any support, guidance, coaching, just message me while I'm looking for a parking because today is a busiest day, and hopefully I can find a parking as soon as possible. Yeah, because it's the busiest day ever. I'm here in my destination. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's Saturday. Oh, I'm so glad there's another parking here. Oh, so glad I'm more parking here. So, napaka-excited ang buhay. Ang ganda ng buhay, you know? Lalo na pag masipag ka. Kaya yun ang ano ko sa, nandito ako sa Amerika na maging masipag. Na I want to work hard, dedicated myself to help myself, to my family, and the people around me. And of course, my community here in California. So that's the most important thing. And then I want to make a shout out to happy birthday to Adriana and to the birthday of, actually, belated happy birthday to my sister Annalyn and to John Jujel birthday today. To whoever celebrate their birthday, happy birthday, anniversary, happy anniversary, and for other things. Again, guys, thank you so much. I love you all, and see you next time, and mabuhay! See you next time. Bye!